Hello everybody, welcome to VeenasKitchen.com. I am Veena and today I'll show you how to make sanas using a microwave. Sanas is a Goan dish. It is also made in Bangalore. It is a very soft and very tasty dish. It literally melts in your mouth. It is usually served with the chutney. So let's see how it is made. Soak 2 cups of rice in water for 5 to 6 hours. Then drain off the water. Now in a mixer grinder, add the soaked rice, and grind it to make a smooth paste. I have added exactly 1 cup of water. I will go ahead and grind it and make it a very smooth paste. After grinding it, we get a smooth batter like this. A very smooth batter. Now into this mixture add 1/4 cup of boiled rice or steamed rice. And grind it again. After grinding, we get a very smooth texture of the batter like this. Pour it into another big vessel. Keep this aside. Now into the same jar, add freshly grated coconut of half a coconut. Add 1 cup of water. And grind them together to make a smooth batter. After grinding the grated coconut, we get a very smooth batter like this. Pour this batter into the rice batter. Mix it. We need to have a batter which has a consistency of as that of the idli batter. So I will be adding water accordingly. Okay, I have added another half cup of water into it and now the batter is ready. It has become very loose. Let us keep this aside. Now in another bowl, take 1 tablespoon of water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it. After mixing it, add 1 tablespoon of yeast into it. And allow it to bubble. Alright, now the yeast has started to bubble. Let us go ahead and add this yeast into the batter. Mix it well. Close it with a lid and allow it to ferment for 7 to 8 hours. Right, it's now 5 hours and our butter is fermented. It has rised a bit. It had rised and it has settled down as well. So let us give it a nice mix. Add salt as per your taste. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. To make the sanas, I'm going to use a bowl like this. And I am going to fill in half of the bowl with the batter, and I will leave the remaining half as it is, because once it is steamed, the batter will rise. So I am going to grease this bowl with a touch of oil so that the batter doesn't stick to the bowl. After adding the salt, mix the batter well and nice. We get a very nice dropping consistency like this. Pour the batter and place it in a steamer. Place the bowls in a steamer, close it with a lid, microwave it on high power for 6 minutes. If you are not using a microwave, you can use a traditional gas stove. For that, what you need is a steamer or an idli cooker. Do the same procedure. Well, it's been now 6 minutes. Let us go ahead and take out our sanas from the microwave. After removing it from the microwave, we will allow it to cool a bit. After 6 minutes, the batter will rise and the sanas will be cooked as well. You can check it by pricking it with a toothpick. I can see that the sanas has already cooked and has become nice and fluffy. We need to allow it to cool a bit before taking it out of the bowl. So now my sanas has cooled down and has come to a room temperature. I will take it out of the steamer with a knife. Remove its sides like this. It will come out very easily. Alright, it's come out well and nice. Place it on the tray. Do the same with the rest of the bowl as well. There you go, delicious sanas is now ready to be served. Serve it with coconut chutney or sambar. Very nice and soft and fluffy. Very nice, soft and fluffy. Yum! Well friends, that was sanas using a microwave. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make sanas, and also please do post in your comments and feedback on the comment box below. Please do thumbs up this video for more such microwave recipes. Thank you so much for watching VeenasKitchen.com.